Let's learn how to divide the number 172 by 2 using the long division method. As 1 is less than 2, that is why we will consider the number 17. We know that 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract from 17, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 2 here. And from the multiplication table of 2, we know that 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 172 divided by 2 is equal to 86. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.